CHZ explicitly really faces obstruction at 20 cents, or so they basically thought. CHZ down roughly 0.67% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, for the most part sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz truly shows negative force over the course of the end of the week, which explicitly truly is genuinely huge. 28 September 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for the following week, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly, especially clarified some pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is for the most part momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, in a real sense, is CHZ a very wise interest in a significant manner. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they for the most part thought. In any case, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the CHZ specialized examination, fundamentally for the most part allowed us really to discuss the in every practical sense kind of current economic situations, which in a real sense is very huge. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there for the most part, truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,057,668,317,807 in a huge manner. The especially in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume generally really remains at $26,382,683,370, which explicitly is genuinely critical, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, so CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, which in a real sense generally is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time span. Pretty further appearance how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there by and large, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,057,668,317,807, for the most part, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere around 0.72 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, or so they sort of basically thought in a kind of significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a truly significant way, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions fundamentally in a real sense show that the market generally is going in a truly descending bearing for pretty present moment, exhibiting how Chilliz support and opposition levels and so on, which basically is very huge. Right now, a truly broad sort of truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a quite large manner and a kind of significant manner. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which essentially is very critical in a significant manner. Support, especially in a real sense, is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become commonly essentially more kind of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that the really complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $26,382,683,370 in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which vendors by and large move commonly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely sort of higher in an especially huge manner incredibly. Following in every way that really matters are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, generally especially is at $0.058, down 0.67% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 0.83% over the course of the week, or so they explicitly thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 25,575,851.00 United States dollars, while kind of most certainly all-out market cap came to $430,794,749 United States dollars, which all things considered is genuinely critical. There basically are practically 7,466,079,839 truly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888 sort of truly further appearance, how there by and large are practically 7,466,079,839 for the most part, essentially are available for use out of 8,888,888,888 amazingly in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 28 September 2023, inside a sort of everyday time span, basically made sense of beneath in a truly significant manner, which is very huge. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving sort of really normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely beautiful straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving kind of normal, EMA, to in every practical sense, break down the future development of the Chilliz. Showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC essentially is 25,575,851.00 United States dollars, while especially all-out market cap came to $430,794,749 United States dollars, which generally essentially is genuine. The quite relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin essentially is as of now drifting at 28 for 14 days kind of fundamentally normal line, which by and large in every practical sense implies CHZ truly is in oversold zone, and a pattern certainly inversion generally is conceivable. Especially further appearance how following most certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, especially in every practical sense, is at $0.058, down 0.67% in the essentially beyond 24. The Chilliz certainly has for the most part break all its particularly upholds levels, and things really are not looking sort of especially great for the crypto market, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, most certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, so CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20. Exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, especially bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively in every practical sense, all things considered, take CHZ cost beneath the critical help level of 17 cents. Showing that following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, essentially is at 0.05.